Are you dreaming of a lush, vibrant garden that thrives all year round but struggling with limited space or gardening know-how? Imagine a garden that almost takes care of itself, letting you grow fresh herbs, veggies, and flowers effortlessly. In today's video, we're diving into the future of home gardening with the top 5 best smart garden systems of 2024. These aren't just any gardens, they're your personal green sanctuaries, combining the best of technology with the simple joys of gardening. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a curious newbie, stick around. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these innovative systems. Let's grow smart and transform your living space into a green oasis. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the iDOO Hydroponics Growing System, a true game changer for both your wallet and your indoor gardening experience. What makes this system stand out? First and foremost, it's the most budget-friendly option on our list today, making it a perfect starter kit for those dipping their toes into the world of hydroponic gardening. Setting it up, it's a breeze! Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll find the iDOO system incredibly easy to assemble and operate. No complicated tools or confusing manuals here, just a straightforward setup that gets you growing in no time. Now let's talk about its adjustable light stand. This isn't just any light, it's a beacon that ensures your plants always get the optimal amount of light, no matter their stage of growth. Simply adjust the stand and you're good to go. Perfect for everything from petite parsley to towering tomatoes. And if you're worried about noisy gadgets, there's more good news. The iDOO's water pump operates silently, promising a peaceful indoor environment. Fancy expanding your green empire? This system is expandable. You can easily connect additional units to scale up your garden without cluttering your space. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the Ingarden, a standout choice for those passionate about superfoods and super gains. This isn't just any garden, it's a microgreen maven, optimized to help you grow a wide variety of these nutritious tiny greens quickly and efficiently. If you're looking to boost your health with every bite, the Ingarden is your go-to gadget. Why microgreens? They're not only packed with nutrients, but also add a burst of flavor to any meal. And with Ingarden, you can harvest your own fresh microgreens in as little as 7 to 10 days. Talk about fast food that's actually good for you. The design of Ingarden is just as impressive as its performance. It features a stackable design that allows for vertical expansion. This means as your garden grows, your system can grow too, without taking up more precious counter space. Plus, the specifically designed LED lighting system ensures that your tiny greens receive the perfect amount of light, maximizing growth without wasting energy. So for health enthusiasts or anyone looking to sprinkle some extra nutrients into their diet, the Ingarden offers a fast, efficient, and space-saving way to grow microgreens at home. Don't forget, if you want to get started with this microgreen specialist, the links are ready for you in the pinned comment and description box. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our list is the Click and Grow Smart Garden 3. If you're looking for simplicity and efficiency in a compact package, this is the Smart Garden for you. Perfect for beginners and those with limited space, the Click and Grow offers a plug-and-play solution to indoor gardening. Why does it stand out? Well, it's all about ease of use. This garden comes with pre-seeded pods. Yes, that means no messy soil. Just insert the pod, add water, and the garden takes care of the rest. The automated features, including a self-watering system, ensure your plants always have the right amount of moisture without any daily hassle from you. And size matters when it comes to fitting gardening into your busy life. The minimalist design of the Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 makes it ideal for small apartments, offices, or any little corner that needs a touch of green. Plus, it's budget-friendly, making it an accessible option for everyone looking to start their smart garden journey. Offering a variety of pod options, from aromatic herbs to beautiful flowers and even some vegetables, this garden lets you explore a world of greenery right from the comfort of your home. Interested? Check out the links in the description box to grab this compact powerhouse for your own space. Securing the runner-up position on our list is the AeroGarden Bounty Elite, a true pioneer in the world of high-tech indoor gardening. For those who crave control and customization in their gardening, the Bounty Elite offers an unparalleled experience with its cutting-edge features. Let's delve into what makes this garden so special. First, its highly customizable LED light panels are a standout, updated for 2004 to include a wider range of the light spectrum. This means you can adjust the lights to precisely meet the needs of whatever you're growing, from delicate herbs to robust greens. But that's not all. The Bounty Elite is smart, really smart. With app connectivity, you can control light settings, set schedules, and even manage nutrient delivery all from your smartphone. Gardening has never been more convenient. The design? It's not only functional, but also incredibly sleek. The latest model features a 360-degree rotating grow deck, ensuring even light distribution to all your plants. And speaking of plants, this system doesn't play small. With a capacity to grow up to 36 plants at once, the Bounty Elite is perfect for those who want a substantial indoor garden that doesn't skimp on style. Ideal for a variety of herbs, lettuce, and other salad greens, this system allows you to harvest fresh, flavorful produce right from your kitchen. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 on our list is the Gardyn Home Kit 4.0, the epitome of smart garden innovation and versatility. This isn't just any garden, it's a revolution in your home, allowing you to grow everything from full-size vegetables and fruits to aromatic herbs and vibrant flowers, all in a sleek vertical setup. Why is the Gardyn Home Kit 4.0 our top pick? Let's break down its incredible features. Firstly, it's the most versatile system on the market, providing ample vertical growing space that makes it possible to cultivate a wide variety of plants, even in a compact living space. But the magic doesn't stop there. The latest update brings an improved LED lighting system that enhances plant growth across the entire vertical garden. And for those who value convenience, the automated features of this system are a game changer. Automatic watering, lighting, and nutrient delivery mean that your garden practically cares for itself, freeing up your time while ensuring your plants thrive. The system is also a model of efficiency with a self-contained ecosystem. This includes a water reservoir and replaceable grow pods, which greatly simplify maintenance and make gardening hassle-free. With the capacity to accommodate up to 26 plants at once, the Gardyn Home Kit 4.0 is perfect for anyone serious about their indoor gardening. And there you have it, our top 5 smart garden systems for 2024. Each one offers unique features and benefits, making it easier than ever to bring the beauty and bounty of nature into your home, regardless of your space or experience level. Whether you're starting small or going big, these systems ensure that your green thumb, or lack thereof, won't keep you from cultivating a thriving indoor garden. Don't forget, if you're interested in any of the systems we discussed today, you can find more information and purchase links in the pinned comment and description box below. Dive into the world of smart gardening and start growing fresh, healthy plants right from the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our upcoming reviews and guides. Here at the Gadget Corner, we're all about making life smarter, easier, and more sustainable. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video!